Yeah, drop. Hey, huh.
Yo, what's up guys, this is 𝗪𝗚𝗟𝗟𝗟 and today I'm gonna showcase the only pawn challenge from m0leCon Beginner CTF, which was not so beginner, to be honest. With my team we managed to reach the 4th place, and the challenge was this, Dragon Quest. It has many solves, it has 40 solves, and we see this, we have an instance, I don't know if it's still up. Okay, cool. And we have the downloadable right here, so we download it, solver. So we have it here, we see it's a 64-bit executable, dynamically linked, and go inside the debugger. Exec, we see that it has no canary and no pi, that's really nice. That means we can probably have a possible buffer overflow. And let's run it and see. Okay, at first it looks like a heap challenge, but it's not. Let's go learn, spell name, 𝗪𝗚𝗟𝗟𝗟𝗪, this. Okay, so we learn this spell, 3, we see we have it. Learn, can we create another one? Wet and damage 333, paste, and we see that we have 2 spells right here. With forget, we can simply remove something. Now we only have wet. For fate, just exits. And fight, we have no spells, let's create one. Wet, delete, let's fight. So right here we see we have a boss fight with this nice dragon right here, which has 10,000 HP and pick index, let's say 0, and we see that its health power getting lower. So what we actually need to do, let's try again, 0, 0, 0, 0. We see that I became an extra crispy biscuit right here. So let's open a decompiler and see what we can do. Go to Beginner CTF, let's go to main. Right here we have many stuff, most of them unnecessary. So we go to the bottom, we have the menu right here, and then this is our choice. And right here we have learn spell, forget, list, blah blah blah. So to save some time, I will just head right here to fight, which is the important function. And what we see right here, we have dragon HP, this, and then we see the menu, choose spell, blah blah blah, damage, yada yada, and we continue. We see we have a win function right here, which gives us sell, and we see that according to our choice for our spell, it will reduce the HP of the dragon, but as we saw, the max we can input is almost 2k, it's not even 2k, so we cannot possibly reduce its HP to 0 to call win. But right here at the end we see if dragon HP is different from that, it will go lose. Otherwise we get a nice curse here and we have gets buff, which of course we know gets. If you don't know, man gets, never use this function. Where is it? Description. Never use this function. How does gets work? It will read until we enter a new line. So that means our buffer is, where is it? Buffer. What? Okay, we don't know size right here inside Beginner CTF, but we can possibly perform a buffer overflow. So what we actually need to do is reduce its HP to this, and after that we can perform an overflow. So let's start crafting our payload. So I'm gonna make my pawn template and open it. So we have dragon quest right here. Let's start with local instance, and we don't need that. So first of all we have the learn function, learn spell, and what was it again? So have send line after this, and we send 1, and then after cars it needs the name. So send line after this, we have the name. Let's just call it wet. We don't need to add a name right here. And then we have the 𝗪𝗟𝗟𝗟. So after that, send line after this on the 𝗪𝗟𝗟𝗟. So right here, I'm gonna take 𝗪𝗟𝗟𝗟 string. Okay, so this is the learn function to learn a spell. And we also want the fight one, the important, which is gonna take an index. Send line after, remember what it. So send line after this, and we want the index again as string. So these are the two main functions we're gonna use. And let's start. First, need to reduce the HP down to this. So we actually need something like 10,000 minus this. So we need to reduce it by this amount of power. One way to do that, the easiest I found, was this and this, this and this and this to activate 5 spells, because we need to do it 5 times. And if we print that, we say it's the same amount. So we have to cast learn 2 times. So learn, and the first damage is this, and the second one is this. And after that, we need to start fighting. Fight, so we have fight, and we need to cast the first spell 3 times. This. 1, 2, 3, and then the other 2. So we can actually reach the HP we want. Let's also run it to verify it. Dragon Quest 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. So we go 4, and now we do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and we see that right here, reality glitch, blah blah, final taunt. So right here, red to win, send line after final taunt, and we want to send. First of all, we need to find the offset. Be the height. So we see right here it subtracts from RBP0x30. So if we add 8 to that, 48 plus 8, we see that it's 56 bytes until we start overriding the return address. So we do times 6. Then what we want the address of win, e.sim win, r.interactive, and that should be it, or no. So let's go check solver, and we run the solver. See at fight there is no this, yeah, that. So before the fight we need to go into this option. So send line after this, we want 4. So it will actually choose the fight option. And we see we got end of file. And why is that? You can either debug it, or with some experience, you know that right here misses a red gadget for stack alignment. So if we go inside the debugger, GDB Dragon Quest, top dash grep, contract. So we see a nice gadget right here. Like this is the red gadget for stack alignment, solver, ID, and I got cell locally. Let's also try this remotely. Have IP and port. So solver, send this, ID, cat flag, and this way we managed to get the flag for the only pwnable from m0leCon CTF. So that was the challenge, guys. If you have any questions, I have many videos explaining how and why it works for stack alignment, red to win, and all this basic stuff. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Have fun and see you in the next one. Bye.